Welcome, good morning to you all. It's me Indramani Gemali, your math teacher for grade 9. So welcome you all in my today's class. So let me connect today's topic with last class. So it's HCF and LCM. So first of all, let me recall what should we do in HCF and LCM. Especially in grade 9, we will focus question based on algebraic expressions where we need to factorize the expressions that are given for us. So in the very beginning, we need to factorize the expressions, and then for HCF we pick out the common factors, and for LCM we take common factors from all the expressions, and then we also write down remaining factors, and we find product of common factors and remaining factors for LCM, least common multiple. So today we are going to practice some questions of HCF and LCM based on algebraic expressions. So let me take first example for today's class. First of all, so I am taking one question having three expressions here. So first expression is x cube minus 1. Second expression is x to the power 4 plus x is square plus 1, and third is x is square plus x plus 1. Now question is, what is HCF and LCM? In each question, so I am trying to give concept of HCF and LCM. I hope we have practiced some questions in previous class, the basic questions, one or two questions. Concept is same. So in today's class, we will learn about more examples of HCF and LCM, having in some questions two expressions, in some questions three expressions. So for this, let's take first expression. First expression here is x cube minus 1. In the very beginning, we need to factorize this expression, x cube minus 1. We can use one of the formula of algebra. So here we can use formula of a cube minus b cube. So what are the factors of this expression a cube minus b cube? We know its factors a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So this is equal to x whole cube minus, we can rewrite 1 as 1 cube. Now this is similar with a cube minus b cube form. Now let's factorize this. What is the first factor? A minus b. So what is a here? A is x and b is 1. So x minus 1 times second factor is a square. So x is square plus ab, x times 1. So ab plus b square, 1 square. So this is equal to x minus 1 times x is square plus x plus 1. So these two are the factors of first expression x cube minus 1. Now similarly, let's factorize second expression, which is x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. So if we remember, we have done all these factorizations under the topic of factorization in the beginning of the classes of algebra. So we are repeating all this. We are recalling the concept of factorization, and we are adding few more concepts here how to find HCF and LCM. Now second expression, let me write here second expression. Second expression is, what is the second expression? X to the power 4, x to the power 4 plus x is square plus 1. Let's try to factorize this. Let's think, how do we factorize this expression into its factor for HCF and LCM. We can rearrange the terms here, first term and third term, and transform like this. X is squared, whole square is x power 2, again its whole power 2 is 2 times 2 is 4, plus we can rewrite 1 as 1 is square, plus middle term x is square, so I am writing in the third term. Why so I am doing this? Its reason is, if we collect first and third term, if we arrange first and third term together, we can convert into a square plus b square form. A square plus b square form. Let's see the first two terms here. This is in a square plus b square form. So we can write its formula, a square plus b square. There are two expanded forms. First is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So let's use this. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. So what is a? A is x square, and what is b? 1. So x is square plus 1 whole square. It's a plus b whole square minus twice of what is a? X is square. What is b? 1, plus last term is same, x square. Let me move into next step now. X is square plus 1, so I am writing this same, minus 2 times x square times 1 is 2x square plus x square. So these two are like terms. Minus 2x square plus x square are like terms, so we can subtract. This is x square plus 1 whole square minus, what is minus 2x square plus x square? It's x square. We can again change this into a square minus b square form for its further factorization. For this, let me write this expression minus, we can write x whole square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. We have the formula or factors of a square minus b square. Simple. A square minus b square is a plus b, so this is a and this one is b. A plus b times a minus b. So x is square plus 1 plus x, this is a plus b factor, and next is x is square plus 1 minus x, this is a minus b factor. So we can arrange the terms here. Let's write x is square, then x plus 1 in the last step of this factorization. X is square plus x plus 1 times x is square minus x plus 1. So these are the two factors of second expression, x to the power 4 plus x is square plus 1. Now what is third expression? Is x is square plus x plus 1. Third expression is, let me write here, third expression is, what is third expression? Third expression is x is square plus x plus 1. First of all, we are finding common factors from all three expressions. What are the common factors from all three expressions? One is x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1. So all these, from all these three expressions, one factor x square plus x plus 1 is common. So in the third expression, we have x square plus x plus 1 we don't need to factorize this. It's common from all the expressions, and we cannot factorize this. So HCF is the common factors. So what is the common factor? X is square plus x plus 1 is common factor from all the expressions. Now for LCM, we pick out common factors and then we multiply by remaining factors from all the expressions. So similarly, now let me write what is LCM. For LCM is product of common factors and rest of the factors. So what is the common factor? Is HCF, x is square plus x plus 1 times now the factors remaining from all three expressions. Now let's see from the first expression. In the first expression there are two factors, x minus 1 times this, we have taken this factor. Now x minus 1 is remaining factor times what are the factors remaining from second expression? Only x is square minus x plus 1, x is square minus x plus 1. And in the third expression there is only one factor, x is square plus x plus 1, which we have already mentioned here. So this is LCM. Now we can combine factors here. If we combine first and third, in fact these two are the factors of expression x power 4 plus x square plus 1. We can combine these two and write the same expression, x power 4 plus x square plus 1. If we combine first and third, x power 4 plus x square plus 1 times x minus 1. So this is LCM. I hope you are getting the concept of HCF and LCM. HCF, common factors from all the expressions. If none of the factors are common from given expressions, one is always common factor. So we take one common factor for HCF. In case if there are some common factors, we take common factors and then we find product of all the common factors for HCF. And LCM is common factors multiply by remaining factors from the given expressions. Now I am taking next example of HCF and LCM. Let me take next example of HCF and LCM. It's 2x cube minus x square minus x, comma 4x cube minus x and 8x to the power 4 plus x. So we are practicing this question now for HCF and LCM. This is first expression. There are three expressions. So let's factorize first of all first expression. First expression. So what is the first expression? 2x cube minus x square minus x. In the first step of factorization, we need to find common factors from all the terms if there is any. So let's see in first, second and third term of this first expression what is common. Is there any factor common to all three terms? Yes, x is common. So let's take x common. Now what are the remaining terms? 2x square minus x minus 1. Now let's think, can we factorize the term, three terms which are in the bracket, 2x square minus x minus 1. If there is chance of further factorization, we need to factorize. So we can factorize this expression. So this is quadratic expression. There are three terms, 2x square minus x minus 1. What is the process of factorizing this? 2x square minus x minus 1. So what is product of coefficient of x square and constant term? Product is 2 because 2 times of 1 is 2, and sign of this 1 is negative. So what is the difference? Difference is always coefficient of the middle term x. So difference is product is 2 and difference is 1. Now let's find two numbers whose product is 2 and difference is 1. Obviously these two numbers are 2 and 1. 2 and 1. So we can factorize, we can split middle term x times 2x square minus 2 minus 1 times x minus 1. So I am splitting middle term x because 2 minus 1 is 1 times x is x. Let's open the bracket. X times 2x square minus 2 multiplied by x is 2x minus this is, it becomes plus x minus 1. Now we can take pair of terms, first two terms and next two terms for factorization. Let's take common from 2x square and 2x. 2x is common, x minus 1 plus what is common from these two terms? There is no common factor, so 1 is always common, x minus 1. Again, let's see what is the common factor. X minus 1 is common factor. So x as it is. We take common factors from here. Common factor is x minus 1 times what are the remaining terms? 2x plus 1. So these are the factors of first expression 2x cube minus x square minus x. Now let's factorize second expression. What is second expression? Here second expression is 4x cube minus x. It is 4x cube minus x. What is common from first and second term? We can take x common. So after taking x common, what are the terms left? 4x square minus 1. Now let's think, can we factorize 4x square minus 1 or not? If we can factorize this, we need to try for its further factorization. We can factorize this 4x square minus 1 into a square minus b square form. For this, let's convert 4x square into perfect square. It's 2x whole square minus 1 is 1 square. There is no change in 1 square because 1 square is 1. This is in a square minus b square form. So we have two factors of a square minus b square. So two factors are a plus b times a minus b. So these are the factors of second expression. Now similarly, we have third expression. Third expression is 8 x to the power 4 plus x. Again, in the third expression, there are two terms. Both terms contain at least one x. So we can take x common and then factorize. Third expression, let me write here. Third expression. It is 8x to the power 4 plus x. What is the first step? In the first step, of factorization we take common if there is any common factor. So what is common from 8x power 4 plus x? So we can take x common. So 8x cube plus 1. So 8x cube plus 1. So these two terms are remaining. Now let's try to convert this into again a cube plus b cube form. This is possible. So x times 8x cube is 2x whole cube plus we can rewrite 1 as 1 cube. We know there are two factors of a cube plus b cube. So to convert this into a cube plus b cube form, we need to know what is a. A is 2x and b is 1. Let me do next step. X times what is the first factor? It's a plus b. So 2x plus 1 a plus b times second factor is a square. A square is 2x whole square minus ab 2x times 1 plus b square. So this is x times, first is 2x plus 1, so I am writing same factor. Next is what is 2x whole square? 4x is square minus 2x plus 1. So a plus b, a square is 2x whole square minus a is 2x, b is 1 plus b square is 1 square. So this is equal to x as it is, 2x plus 1 same. What is 2x whole square? 4x square minus 2x plus 1. Now we can see what are the common factors from all these three expressions. For HCF, we take common factors. Let's find out what are the common factors. In first expression, x, there is x. In second expression, we have x. In third expression, there is x. So one common factor is x. Now, what are other common factors? We can see 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, and 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 is also common factor from all three expressions. So what is HCF? So therefore, HCF is the common factor. HCF is common factors from all the expression. So the common factors are x and 2x plus 1. So we simply multiply common factors for HCF. Now LCM. LCM is the product of common factors and rest of the factors from the expressions. Let me write first of all the common factors. X, 2x plus 1 is common. X times 2x plus 1 is common. For LCM, if there are any factors common from any of the two expressions, we can take. So x minus 1 is in first expression. There is no x minus 1 in second and third expression. Similarly, we can see 2x minus 1 is the factor of second expression, and 2x minus 1 is not in first and third expression. So similarly, 4x square minus 2x plus 1 is the factor, one of the factor of third expression, and this is not present in second and first expression. So now let's write remaining factors. From first expression, it's x plus 1, x plus 1. What is the factor left in second expression? This is 2x minus 1, and in third expression, it's 4x is square minus 2x plus 1. We can combine factors. You can combine these two factors and change into a square minus b square form. So I'm writing first x as it is. So these two factors are in a, this is a and this one is b, this is a and this one is b. If you suppose first term is a and second term is b, these two factors are in a plus b times a minus b form. So you can find product a square minus b square, so 4x is square minus 1 times x plus 1, times the last factor is 4x square minus 2x plus 1. So this is LCM. Now let me take one more example here. We are discussing HCF and LCM. So in every question we are practicing how to find HCF and LCM of different algebraic expressions. So I'm writing next example, x is square minus 5x plus 6, x is square minus 4x plus 3, and next is x is square minus 3x plus 2. Again we have three different expressions, and each expression consists three terms. So first of all we need to factorize all three expressions. Let me do one. First expression here is x is square minus 5x plus 6. We know what is the process of factorizing this expression. There are three terms, so we need to split middle term. For this, let's think what are the two numbers whose product is 6 and sign of 6 is plus and x square coefficient is also positive. So it determines sum. Sum is 5. Product of two numbers 6 and sum is 5. So what are the two numbers? 3 and 2. We can split. X is square minus 3 plus 2x plus 6. X is square minus 3x. So minus plus minus 2x plus 6. We can take common from first two terms. X is common, x minus 3 minus what is common from 2x and 6. 2 is common, so x minus 3. Again x minus 3 is the common factor times x plus 2 is the remaining factor. Similarly, if we factorize second and third expression, and then we can find HCF and LCM. So I am leaving this question for practice. So I have done one expression here, it is factorized. Similarly, we can factorize x is square minus 4x plus 3 and x is square minus 3x plus 2. Then for HCF, we can pick out simply common factors, and for LCM, we take common factors and remaining factors, and then we will find the product. So let's complete this question. So this is for you. Let's factorize these two expressions and find HCF and LCM. So thank you everyone for watching live class, and have a nice day ahead. Thank you all.